Hi everyone, and I hope you are all doing fine. Today we are going to talk about how to organize a small space. Sometimes you might think that you need lots of space, but if you store everything wisely and you have a home for everything, you don't need much space in your home to organize your things. But let me show you some ideas. If you don't have a coat closet, then make sure to install a rack with hooks so you can hang your coats as soon as you go into the house. If in the kitchen you have awkward spaces, then make sure to use a lazy Susan. This is a lazy Susan that I did myself. It's just two baked tins and some marbles at the bottom. By that you can access any awkward corners you might have. As far as food is concerned, make sure to take everything out of the packaging and store them into mason jars or any container of your choice, because the original packaging will take too much space. Make use of any vertical space. If you have a corner cabinet and you need to store some cups and saucers, store them on top of each other, having the saucer as the base for your cups. When it comes to furniture like sofas and beds, make sure you choose furniture that has under the sofa storage or under the bed storage. That way you can store unused items under your sofa or under your bed and avoid having clutter around the house. Another way to use under the bed is to store large toys. If you have missed my video about how to organize toys, I will link the video as well, but you can also use to store any out of season clothes. And like this you can just store them in a container and store them away under the bed. If you have a tiny bathroom, make sure to use a medicine cabinet that has a mirror, but as well has storage inside. If you have small spaces, awkward spaces, like this one, as you can see, this is very small. You can hang like these shoe organizers and a soft toy organizer for your kids' toys. These other types of shoe organizers are again very good to organize toys, but also good to organize shoes or makeup, any small items where you don't have much space. For clothes, it is important that you fold intelligently so you can store as much as you can in your drawers, folding them in a way that they can stay upright, and filing them instead of putting them on top of each other saves a lot of space. In order for your home to look tidy all the time, make sure to put away any items immediately. Don't let clutter accumulate. You can also make use of luggages as well. You can store in them anything that you are not going to use for that season, such as clothes, or you can store in them quilts or extra pillows. Just make use out of the space you have in those luggages as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe.